Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TikTok videos posted but not showing on your profile. So to do this, you just need to go and open your TikTok account. And after that, go to your profile, and we have some things that we need to check to know what's happening and why our video was not posted and was not showing on our profile. So the first thing that you should try to see if your video was still processing. So after posting a video, you need to give it maybe between 5 and 10 minutes so your video will complete processing, and after that it will be posted on your profile. Another thing that can happen is that your video was saved on draft. For example, I will give you an example like this. For example, we will choose this video. Click next, and after that another time next, and you need to be sure that you clicked on post, not on drafts. Post, not draft, because if it's still draft, welcome everyone to a new I will show you one moment. Click next again and click drafts, and as you can see it appeared here in drafts. So you need to check that if this video was posted or still in draft. And the last thing that you need to check is to be sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So you just need to go and look for TikTok and see if your app is up to date or it needs update. And normally with these three things, and if you check those three reasons and everything is okay, your video will be posted without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.